the ins and outs of EIFS stucco repair? Who should you hire? Who repairs stucco? When it comes to the exteriors of residential and commercial buildings, stucco and EIFS, exterior insulation, and finish system are popular choices. However, even these durable materials can experience wear and tear over time. This comprehensive guide will assist you in finding the right professionals who offer high-quality EIFS stucco repair services. Types of professionals for stucco repair. General contractors. General contractors are capable of handling various tasks, including stucco repair. However, they may not possess specialized knowledge specifically related to EIFS systems. EIFS contractors versus EIFS repair specialists. While both types have expertise in working with EIFS, there is a notable distinction between the two. EIFS contractors primarily focus on full installations and may not frequently encounter the same issues that a repair specialist deals with. On the other hand, an exterior insulation and finish system repair specialist deals with daily challenges such as moisture intrusion and other problems specific to synthetic stucco. Drawing from my own 30 years of experience as an experienced EIFS repair specialist, I can emphasize the significance of specialized services tailored to your specific needs for repairing exterior insulation and finish system stucco. Dryvit certified contractors. Dryvit is a well-known and respected brand in the EIFS industry. Contractors who are certified by Dryvit undergo comprehensive training to effectively handle their systems. Skilled masons. Masons possess expertise in working with a variety of building materials, including traditional stucco. However, they may not have extensive experience with EIFS systems. Why opt for a specialized service for exterior insulation and finish system stucco repairs? 1. Expertise. Specialized services provide deep knowledge and understanding of exterior insulation and finish system, even when dealing with older versions like the barrier system that may no longer be widely used. 2. Quality. Specialized contractors utilize the right materials and techniques to ensure durable and long-lasting repairs. 3. Peace of mind. Although warranties may not always be available, especially for older exterior insulation and finish system versions, choosing a specialized service guarantees that professionals who are well-versed in the intricacies of synthetic stucco repair will handle the work. The process of repair. What to expect. 1. Evaluation. The initial step involves conducting a thorough evaluation to determine the extent of the damage. 2. Estimate. You will receive a detailed estimate that outlines the work to be done and the associated costs. 3. Restoration. The actual repair work will then begin following industry standards and guidelines. 4. Final assessment. A final inspection is conducted to ensure that all repairs meet your expectations. In conclusion, selecting the right professional for EIFS stucco repair is essential. Whether it's a general contractor, an exterior insulation and finish system stucco specialist, or a certified Dryvit contractor, it's important to verify their experience and credentials beforehand. Thanks for watching the video, and please take a second to click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Another video has just popped up. It's even better than the one you just watched, so go ahead and check it out now.